Welcome to Art and Animation Tutor. In this tutorial we are going to learn how to print a texture on pot. Here we have a white pot. Make a copy of this layer. We are using magnetic lasso tool for selection. See the video. To select and deselect some minor parts, use Quick Object Selection tool. Selection is ready. Now apply mask. Open a texture image and that image to the document. Scale it down by using transform controls. Reduce the opacity to adjust the edges of the texture. Keeping transform controls, right-click on the texture and select Wrap. Go to In Tools Properties bar, select Lower Arc Form Wrap options. Now adjust the texture as shown in the video. Right-click on the texture and select Wrap. Go to In Tools Properties bar, select Custom Form Wrap options. Go to Texture Layer, hold Alt and click to apply Clip Mask. Adjust the texture as shown in the video. Go on the mask and paint the unwanted parts with black color. Increase the opacity till 100. Go to Blending Options and select Multiply. Pot is ready. That was amazing, hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to comment what you want to learn next, we will make a tutorial for you. Thanks for watching. If you like our tutorial, do like, share and comment. Don't forget to subscribe and click on bell icon to get notification on new tutorial upload.